Thank you, Chris. Manning Cup champions Jamaica College and the Costa Cup winners Clarendon College will do battle in the Olivia Shield final on Wednesday at Stadium East in a quest to be crowned All-Islander schoolboy football champions. Kickoff is at 5 p.m. Jamaica College will be looking to complete the treble after cupping the Manning Cup and Champions Cup titles. If successful, the Dark Blues will finish the schoolboy football season undefeated and will also claim their 23rd Olivia Shield crown. JC defeated St Andrew Technical in the Manning Cup final to book their ticket to take on the Da Costa Cup winners. Coach Davian Ferguson is focused on replenishing his players.
The key right now is to get these youngsters recovered. It's a long season. We're tired, but we're definitely going to come again on Wednesday and try to give our.
Clarendon College had to battle the emotions of losing their assistant manager a day before the Da Costa Cup final. Their mental fortitude will be tested in trying to take down a JC team, which is high on confidence if they are to secure their sixth hold on the Olivia Shield. The Chapelton-based school humbled Central High 3-0 in the Da Costa Cup final. Coach Lenny Hyde is proud of the fight his players have been showing.
And we tried to hide it from the players until the next day, the training session in the morning. And they did came out and train very hard that morning. And we just have to be humble in ourselves and just wait for the next encounter, which is Oliver Shield. And we are looking forward to that one also.